Damn. So fine.
Wow. We are here. Let me drop my. Wow. Come with me. Yeah. So cool. Woo. Whoa. So cool, man. I really needed the bait. Wow. Whew. Yeah, yeah. It's so cool. And let me change. I'll get back to you. It's so nice. I really needed that. Very refreshing. I'll get back to you. Yeah, I'm done, my love. Let's head back home. Yeah, the sky is so fine. Ah, okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, there's a big one here. Yep, I just want to cut a branch. The other day I told you about the plant green dogoyaro tree. I don't know if you can remember. And it's also known as neem plant. It is widely known for its medicinal purposes. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So I just cut the branch for my teeth. Let's go inside. Yeah, no, that's so much. Okay. Okay, I'll just cut it off so I can use it. So I just peeled off the edge to this point. Then I have to bite it around the tip, like just to give me this brush feel. Then I can use it to do scrubbing. So I just patiently do that. So see what we have here. Looks like that of the toothbrush. See, you can use it to just go around like this. And now I just finish up. Then I'll make a cup of coffee. Okay. So just bring this out quickly. And in case you're wondering about the house in the background and my fine new space, it's a place I built a while ago, close to where I go out for my camping. So I'll be staying here, I'll be doing a lot of video. I'll be doing gardening and probably raise livestock as well. And then I'll be building a lot of stuff. So I built this yesterday. I'll be posting it on my bushcraft channel. You can. So, okay. The water is boiling, so we just. Okay, wait. I need to pick the water. Right. Oh, the water almost dried. I left it for long. See the reason. I don't know why I blush a lot talking to you people. Just, it's nice. That's it. Okay, let's go into the bush. Let's go and grab some twigs. Yeah. Here we have here. Oh, I almost ate the mango. Wow, all these things there. See, we have some twigs there, those very dry ones. So I'll just go for it. Okay, let's go back home. We have enough twigs. Okay, you're back home. Yep. It's time for cooking. You know, I've been cooking a lot of our Nigerian food on this channel, but I've not really gone into details of the story behind our meals. Some of my lovely friends, they asked me if I could just tell them more about the meal, and I felt like that's really nice instead of me just coming and just cooking in the video without really explaining myself. So I'll be doing that. I'll show you the plant, I'll show you how they sell it in our local market, and detailed explanation of the cooking process. I'll be doing a lot of that going forward, and I hope you like it. So today we have egusi. It's also known as grounded melon. This is the plant, and this is me buying it from our local market. This is me blending it, and this is the final product here. Egusi is one of the most beloved soup in Nigeria and across West Africa. It is a thick, rich soup made with vegetable, meat, and spice. It is known for its nutty flavor and very fine aroma, and also its thick texture. So I'll tell you and I'll show you the ingredient that we use in making egusi soup. So this is red oil, and I also have my smoked fish. This is how they sell it in our local market. I also bought vegetable. This is ugu, and it's also known as, oh my god, I forgot that, sorry. I'll just put in text. So we have pepper here, and this is being sold in our local market. Then I have my onions, spice and salt. I bought this also in the market, semo pita. This is me buying it in our local market. I think that's all the spice you need to cook egusi soup. So let's just get right into it. I'll start with the pepper. So I'll put it on the ground, just shake it. Yeah. I think this is enough. I'll just keep this one. This is my pumpkin leaf. I think that's about the preparation. Let me just make the fire. It's almost burnt off completely. Honestly, I almost forgot myself. I'm supposed to talk as I do this, but it's not too late. We have two methods of making the egusi. We have the frying method and the boiling method. I've done a lot of the frying method, so we are doing the boiling method. So this is my boiled water. I added onions and pepper. So I'll go ahead and add my red oil. Like the fire is moving so fast. It's almost boiled. These are my seasoning tube. I just put 3. I'm adding it to my, then a little bit of salt. I don't know how to tell you the measurement, so let me cover that. Poof. Now I'm adding water into my grounded melon. So I just turn it. So I added water to the grounded melon and I stirred it very well to give me this little bit of thickness. So now I have to add it to the, like that. So I'll let that cook for a while. So I'm using dry fish, but you can use fresh fish, meat. Sometimes people add snail, a lot of things that you can add. But being out here like this in the jungle is very, very hard to preserve fish. So I just do stock fish, and it's still very nice. It still gives you like a good taste. Yeah. Okay. See what we have here. Soup is tasting again. Let me just add more water. You see this one very soft. The bumps are very small, but that of the fried one like that, they have big, big fried bumps. Okay. I forgot to add crayfish to my list. I'm so sorry about that. I have blended crayfish here. It's a very important one to give it that nice taste. I also bought this smoked crayfish, but I'll rinse it first. Okay. I couldn't have it fresh, so I just smoked it. That's the disadvantage of cooking in the bush. Unless maybe I catch fish, something like that. So I'll just put it. For more taste, let me stir it. My fish. So after adding your fish, just put it in. It's almost drying, so I'll just add a little bit of water. My pot is full already. Definitely not eating this soup once. So I think let me just check if the spice is okay. I'll know whether I should add more or not. My hands are filthy. It's definitely not okay. Just add a little bit more salt and remove soup. One more too. And a little bit of salt. Overall, I just use 3 tubes. 4. Yeah, that's it. The taste is now okay. I'll just let it boil a little bit. When I'm ready to just drop it, let's say about 5 minutes, I can add my leaf. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know, you're enjoying it at all. Fine.
Damn. So fine.
Wow. Let me just add the leaf and cook it a little bit more. I already rinsed it once before. This is the second time. Now it's for the leaf. is very, very thick and not thick. So I'll let it cook for a while. Then the soup is ready. I wish I can just give you to taste it. It tastes so nice. Yeah. Our soup is ready. Time is hot. Wow. Man. So fun. Already tasted the test is okay. Yeah. Hope you like the look. Looks fine. Okay. Now we do the semo. Wait. So you go ahead and add your semo. I don't know, just about 1/3 of the quantity. Then I'll add water. Mix it to be a little bit light, not as thick as the egusi. So see what I have here, but I'll still add a little bit more water. It's too thick. And as for egusi, you can eat egusi with a lot of things. Me, I just decided to use semo. I feel like eating semo. It's been a while. You can eat it with eba, amala, pounded yam. A whole lot of. Some people even eat it with rice and yam. So I'm using semo today. Let me add a little bit more water. Since the water is boiling already, so I'll just pour it in. Yeah. Now stir it. At this point, now I have to be very careful because I don't want it to have nut and cocoa and all that. So I'll just turn it very well. I don't want it to have bumps. I think it's ready. You see how it's looking? That's it for sebo. Yeah. See our final look, oh my love. The soup is so fine. Let me remove this. Just cook it out gently. I think this is enough. Wow. Okay, I have enough soup. Thick fish. Thick. I want the big egg. Come and eat with me. Oops, come on, stay one place. Wow, very sweet, very, very delicious. So delicious. Fish.
One second. It is so delicious and very nutritious. You should try sometime. Probably by any chance, if you do, you can just let me know. I hope you enjoyed today. It was very nice spending the day with you. I'll see you in the next video. And I love you so much. Thank you. I really love you so. Okay, bye.